Alright, today we are unboxing the Insta360 Luna Ultra, the dual lens 8K gimbal camera. Yeah, this is going to be a good one. I love unboxing Insta360 stuff, and we also have some other accessories that we're going to have a quick look at. I have no idea what's in that one. There we go, and also don't know what's in that one. So we will start with the important one right here. Yeah, we unbox stuff here. It's not like a testing channel. I'm unboxing it for my other channel. Just, feel like posting the full experience. So here, I will shut up and let's go with it. All right, so this is on the box, by the way. Kind of showing you a little bit what you can do there and some of the specs here. I have used it before in Las Vegas. Just, I think that there's been some improvements in the firmware since then, which is going to be great, but definitely impressed with the low light and the zoom. Okay, so here is the bag of goodies. I'm going to zip it here. Nice little bag, Insta360 style. And here is the Luna in the case. We have some other accessories. We're going to have to unpackage every single one of them. And yeah, it's good, nice spot for your camera. It looks like you can adjust these things as well, which is very nice. So let's go ahead and start with the Luna itself. And here it is. So this is the case for it, and you unlock it. It pops open like that. Little spots for your filters, which we'll look at here in a second. And here is the camera with, I believe you can detach this for the microphone, but we'll see. So we'll take this part off right here. Kind of shows you how it works. That was very satisfying. Where do I want to put that? Right here. Okay. Down here we have threading direction. Okay. So you have your USB-C at the bottom, spot for a wrist strap, which is great, and looks like 2 spots there. And then this comes off, so you can actually be previewing your shot. While it's off, would that turn on while it's away? Let's find out. Really nice and vibrant screen, like right off the bat. Let's see if I can focus that for you. Look at that. So here's the remote. Let's just hook it back on and see if that starts it up. Again, this is not a video review of the product, just unboxing it. And maybe, oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Do I just press the button or hit next? There we go. Connect to the app to launch it, but you can at least see the 2 lenses right there. One is the zoom and the other is the normal one. So we'll power that off. Tucks away nicely. Interesting in your hand, so you're probably going to want some of these other attachments, but let's have a look here. I know it's an easier way to do this, but one of the things that I loved about this is you have this one down here that pops on, gives you extra battery, and has these little pull-out legs. How does that one work? Hold on. Just gotta have some nails. There we go. And I believe they open up even more, so maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, so if you really quickly just want to balance it like that, you can. And then it has quarter thread at the bottom there for attaching to other mounts. So that one's cool. If you just wanted a simple attachment to go to a selfie stick or tripod, you can also use this one. It also has the little legs down there too. Now what's great about that, let's just say you have this on a tripod, you have this on something else, you can easily just remove that, and it's already on the tripod or other mounts, and then it's there. So you don't have to like take that one completely off of it. So I like that. You can almost have a bunch of these, and that would be very handy. It comes with USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. It comes with, these things are not as fun as they look to unbox. Okay, they come with these, which is interesting to me because this is like the wind muff for the microphones, which I do have, but I don't think that they clip, like it makes you think that they clip on like that or something weird, but they don't. So I'm not sure why it comes with this, but I'm certain we'll either figure it out someday or not. Okay. What is going on here? This plastic stuff just makes it so much harder. Okay. All right, there's some foam here. I have no idea why, but what is this for? I feel like that's got to be something. And maybe some of these other ones will unlock that, but for now, let's go for it. All right, and here's a clip for the microphone. Is there a microphone in here? I don't think so. Did I miss that? That's a bit. Maybe there's one in here, you know? And one of these boxes that aren't labeled. I guess we'll get to that in a second. It's giving you all the stuff for it. Oh, ha! There it is. That's the microphone. Oh, cool. So it does come with a mic. And this is the E-Ink microphone. That's really good. It connects directly to it. Put on the wind muff. Change the logo easily on the app. Internal recording, 32-bit float. I did a whole review of these, and they are great. I really like them a lot, and I would use them a lot more knowing that I could just use this with the Luna right there. Here's the clip for that. Still don't know what the foam is yet, but it's like everything we open up unlocks something. So here is a wrist strap that you can attach to the bottom here if you want to. It's always good and handy. And then we have a filter here. You can see which filter is that. Looks like the wide angle lens. So this would pop on magnetically. I don't believe it will close with it on there. That looks actually really cool. I like that. Okay, so wide angle lens is good for when you're vlogging and you're facing yourself. You want to make sure that it is wide enough. And it looks like we have it's a black mist filter. Maybe something else. How fun is it to watch someone do this? Oh no, this is just the magnetic. So we don't have the black mist filter here. Actually, yeah, we do. Or we have some filters. So yeah, there's the microphone magnetic point. So there is that. That's cool. Let's see if we can put this all away. I forget how it goes. Probably like this. Wow. That it's not super. You'd think it'd lock a little bit better. All right, there we go. Okay, feels like it's sticking out a bit, but that's actually the design here. We'll pop this. Now we'll leave that alone for now. All right, let's look at some of the other things we have. Oh, we do have black mist filter. That's cool. So let's go ahead and have a look at that. In there? Did I miss it? What's going on? Looks like there's nothing in that box whatsoever except for that. Oh, wow, that's tricky. Look at that. It's like hidden. That's funny. Okay. So black mist filters definitely helps, bring some of the darkness out, like a little bit more contrast in the shots. It does help. It looks really cool. So we just did all that work putting this thing away. Let's see if we can do it right the first time. There we go. Yep. Okay. Black mist filter there. We also have the ND filter set. Oh, this is very nice. It comes in a little case, keeping it all nice and tidy. It'd be great to take with you. You can get some amazing shots with these ND filters, and that's going to be so good. Look at how it's packaged. They really make you work for it, don't they? Looks like we have here the ND4, ND16, and the ND64. Great for bright sunny days when you're filming with this, or any action that you want to get with it. It definitely adds that motion blur to it. Okay, so we'll keep these nice and tidy here. Beautiful. What's in this box? It's another wide angle lens. Looks like, or is it just a different wide angle lens, or is it I don't know, maybe it's an extra one. Just in case. Wow, these are so tough to get out. You don't want to use like this because you're looking at lenses and stuff, and I guess we'll have to. That did nothing. Where is this point to open? I could use scissors, but they're on the other side of the room, and I don't feel like. Oh, fine. They were over here. Where'd they go? Never mind, I lost my scissors. Well, that's not fun. Where did you put my scissors? Oh, they're there. As soon as I found them, I was able to get this thing open. There we go. So another wide angle lens, it looks like. We'll put that with the other filters. And then this is unknown here. Oh, that's obviously a light. Very cool. I wonder how this is going to sit on there. It is an Insta360 branded light, which is great. Power with Type-C. It looks like it's got a clip there. And it looks like it's got this here to attach. So you'd go like so, and then you put the light. Oh, it's magnetic. Cool, on top. So no matter where this thing is going, it's going to go with it. That's really clever. And you can also flip it around as well. Looks like you have different color tones and probably different brightness levels to cycle through. And your charging cable for that. Now we have one more thing here, and that is the battery handle. And looks like just another battery handle. You can get an extra battery handle. This is great. Again, like I said, if you want to jump between different mounts, this one has the extra battery on it. That's great. So look at all of that cool stuff with the Luna. Still don't know what the foam does, but I could probably read the instructions someday and maybe figure that out. Not today, though. There you go. That's the experience of unboxing that. This is the Ultra, and man, that's a lot of really good stuff that goes in it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.